As you adjust your mindset, the action that you're going to need to take may vary. Determination requires that you're going to have to step outside of your comfort zone. You're going to have to do some things that you haven't done before.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Words on Wednesday with Ed Womack, the Life Transformer. And just want to share with you today just a few words on regret. You see, we all have regrets in our life, and what I want to share with you over the course of the next few moments is this. One or two things are going to happen after this video. You're either going to realize that you cannot, should not, and must not allow those regrets to keep you stuck someplace you don't want to be, or you can face everything, accelerate, and rise. And that's my hope for you today as we share these words on Wednesday with Ed Womack, the Life Transformer. You know, we all encounter regrets in our life. We all have had those situations where we may not be very proud of them. We may have encountered things that were the result of circumstances outside of ourselves. But what I've come to understand is this. We don't have to be plagued by that. We don't have to embrace that. We don't have to continue down the path that may have been laid before us with no influence or no control of our own. Here's what I come to understand is this, is that while we all may have regrets, we've got to be able to own that, take accountability for it, evaluate those things that we can actually make modifications to, take those things which we can't and place them in their proper perspective, readjust our thought process, and keep it moving. Here's what I do know is all things work together for the good of those that love the Creator. And in my favorite book, I have come to realize this, that if I'm willing to be honest with myself, I'm willing to stop listening to everything that everyone else has to say about me. I'm willing to stop allowing the circumstances that I am faced with to determine the outcome. You see, this thing between our ears, our mind, is a powerful thing to waste, in the words of UNCF. We got to get up, stand up, and show up. And what we'll find there, in the words of CNN's Anthony Bourdain, is this, that regrets are something that we just got to own. And while it may not be easy, it may not be simple, it may even seem like a very daunting task. But what I submit to you today is this. I believe you've got greatness within you, and I believe if you free yourself from yourself, you'll find yourself rise into levels that you never imagined. Come back every week and join us on Words of Wednesday with Ed Womack, the Life Transformer. You have greatness within you, and I know that it is there for you to just tap into and move to that next level. You know how we do. Good, better, best. We can't let it rest until our good is our better and our better is our best. We'll see you at the top now because the bottom's entirely too crowded. It's Ed Womack, the Life Transformer, with Words on Wednesday.